GM, everyone. It's a beautiful day once again, and it's Asia opening. Let's go to the chat. Join us. Let's do it as usual. GM. All right. I hope I'm audible. Let me confirm the sound. Confirm the sound. Okay, let's go. Oscar Ike. Welcome. I see you on Facebook. Okay. So this morning, the Fear and Greed Index today is sitting at 73%. On the other app and in CMC, the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 63. The market is indicating that we are in the greed part of the market. We are in the greed part of the market. So join us. Let's go straight to the analysis. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours has actually done 1.19%, 119, 384.16 cents. In the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has done 0.35%, 119. At the moment, Bitcoin is still moving up and down, 119, 400. And in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin actually did 0.35. Ethereum, as we all know, touched 4,006 plus in the past 24 hours. And Ethereum did 6.89% pump. XRP did 2.27%. BNB did 2.33%. Solana did 10.20%. Please put your eyes on Solana. Put your eyes on Solana. As you can see, Solana is still running. So put your eyes on Solana. There might be chance for a new movement or a change of movement. TRS did 1.20%. Cardano did 7.12%. Put your eyes on Cardano. Chainlink did 10.58%. Put your eye on Chainlink. Chainlink is actively pumping. So put your eye on Chainlink. Hype did 1.45%. XLOM did 1.17%. SIU did 4.22%. BCH did 4.51%. HedgeBar did 3.50%. Alvex did 6.47%. LTC, Litecoin, did 7.49%. LEO did 2.24%. TON did 2.02%, 2.03%, 2.03% on TON. SHIB did 3.31%. UNI did 2.11%. DOT did 6.31%. Put your eye on DOT, DOT. DAO did 0.04% loss. ENA did 1.37% loss. CRO did 4.90% loss. Pepe did 7.17% gain. Put your eye on Pepe. BGB did 0.56% in the past 24 hours. Put your eye on BGB. Alve did 7.17%. Put your eye right there. Put AAVE in your watch list. Also put Pepe in your watch list. XMR did 4.86% loss. Tau did 6.53% loss. NIA did 5.77% gain. I will advise you put NIA in your watch list. MNT 6.48%. Ondo 5.98%. APT 4.13% pump yesterday. ICP 4.76%. PI 3.77% loss. Our brother PI keep losing money. OKB 0.58% gain. PO 3.73%. CAS 6.18% pump. AROB 6.70% pump. ARGO 5.65%. PENGO 1.14% loss. VET 3.44% gain. Atom 3.69% gain. Render 7.70%. Put that render in your watch list. 7.90% pump on render. $70 points. That's pretty much. Bonk 5.88%. GT 0.80%. WLD 5.36%. SAY 4.56%. Trump 3.68%. FAR 5.38%. Sky 1.28% loss. FIT 3.13% gain. IP 9.57% loss. Please check IP. IP is dumping seriously. XPX 0.01% loss. Jupe 8.54% gain. Put Jupe in your watch list. FLOR 2.64% gain. KCX 2.02% gain. INJ 5.94% gain. XDC 2.63% gain. FORM 2.11% loss. Pump don't form. The coin was pumping yesterday, I think, on the first day was pumping. 11.90% pump so far. Put it in your watch list. TIE. TIA. 7.53%. TIA. 7.53% gain. QNT. 3.21% gain. OP. 2.42% gain. LDO. 2.33% loss. I hope if people remember, this LDO has been pumping since 2 days. Even when the market was dumping the first day, this LDO was busy pumping. So put in your watch list. Is now dumping while others are making up trend. CROV 4.91% gain. Put CROV in your watch list. That coin knows how to dump. XTX 2.70% gain. IMX 4.64%. Flocky, oh boy, 5.56%. Fatcoin 22.86. Fatcoin 22.82%. This one choke. Fatcoin don't provoke. Okay. We need to go and visit Fatcoin and know what is giving it that morale to be pumping like this. Fatcoin is pumping crazily, brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters, Fatcoin. Let's go to Fatcoin. Fatcoin. Fatcoin need attention. 22 point. Wow. That was awesome. Massive pump from 0.8 to 1 point. That is crazy pump. Okay, this is what is called pumping from the bottom of the daily. Fatcoin pump to match, pump me, or from March and April. That is the form. This guy form the same pattern with Bitcoin in the month of March. Okay. All right. I would advise everyone to put it in your watch list. You can start looking for opportunity from Fatcoin. But at the moment, it's facing a resistance at the moment on these 4 hours. This area, this area is going to be so difficult for inside this circle. It's going to be difficult to cross for Fatcoin. Yeah, it's gonna be so difficult. Let me put. Let me see. So from this area, we're gonna be okay. Let me just keep it here for now. Let's see if if this man is going to break here and here. But if it doesn't, I'm expecting it to start going down from here. I'm expecting from here. I'm expecting this particular uh, candle to turn red. Across here. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This place is not supposed to break here so easily. It's supposed to start looking for retracement from here. So if it breaks here, then we know that fat coin is serious. This, because never been successful in this area for the the last time dump it before it came again. Last time dump it seriously, and I guess fat coin is forming a pattern right here. This is double dump, but this is 1, 2. What kind of pattern is this? Is it that this guy has completed this pattern or what? It's looking as if this nigga just completed this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 3. 3. Could this be that fat coin is done with this pattern? Oh, it's looking like I'm supposed to go down more. First, I'm supposed to dump more before we can have another leg. Before we can have another leg. Retracement and pump again. Guys, put your eye on fat coin. I'm expecting fat coin supposed to dump. Put your eye on fat coin. Supposed to dump before the next leg up. Supposed to dump. Supposed to. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So far, fat coin has reduced from 22 point now to 19 point. So ENS is 3.07. Arrow is 7.8, 7.92 pump. Put your eye on arrow. GRT is 6.35. CFX 0.30% loss. WIF 7.00% pump. Put your eye on WIF. This WIF can be so naughty. This WIF is going to dump. Put your eye on WIF. If I had to, you can start looking for short on WIF. Cake 2.31% pump. Gold keep dumping. Gold 0.32% loss on gold. Ray 8.16%. Pendo 0.6% loss. I think this Pendo, most info you're talking about this Pendo pumping. Seems it started dumping or something. Pendo. Oh boy, this syrup is dumping. Oh. This syrup is on 3 days dump straight. Syrup is dumping crazily. Syrup is dumping seriously. This Pendo. Weekly, daily. This pendulum is on a very strong resistance at the moment, but still looking likely to make small uptrend more. It's likely to pump a little more. Okay, Kai 2.07%, Jasmine 11.57%. Put your eye on Jasmine. Jasmine. I'm coming. Nice. Let me check something on this. I want to do some more analysis here. Okay. Okay, Solana is dumping. Okay. Let's see. So crazy. All right. We are now on Jaxme. Jaxme on the 4 hours made a very sharp dump right now, and it's trying to recover. This pump this early morning, Jaxme have taken the highs already, so expect Jaxme to drop in the day because military market open Jasmine took out the highs of yesterday. So we're expecting Jasmine to drop down today. So you can put Jasmine in your watch list. You can put it in your watch list. There was even a rejection yesterday, and that rejection became immediately and take up the highs. So also Jasmine has been having a resistance at this area. So we're expecting for Jasmine to have a kind of retracement today. Today. A little retracement down towards the downside. Yeah, Jasmine is supposed to retrace today towards the downside. So you can put Jasmine in your watch list. Pengu. Pengu is going down already. Bitcoin. Bitcoin almost took the highs of yesterday, but could not. So that is a bearish formation. Wanted to take the highs of yesterday. That means it was not able to go up. So that means Bitcoin is going to dump. It will be targeting the lows today. Okay. Where are we? XTZ, 3.79% pump. X, 2.44% pump. Delta, 4.57%. Nexo, 0.39% loss. Virtua, 0. Man, it's been a while. I have not checked Virtua. I have not checked for Virtua chart. This is unusual like me. Virtua and Moondeck. I have not checked these guys for a long time. Virtua, I never see anything they have for your side for a long time. Virtua is building a pattern. Virtua is on a pattern. So downward on the daily on Virtua. So we're expecting Virtua to dump. Even if Virtua pump from here, it's not going to work. It must still come down again later. So Virtua, this is the wait. Let me put attention on Virtua downward stop. Okay. I pray that I will take Virtua very soon. So Virtua, yeah, has turned a very strong resistance for Virtua. Okay, I have Virtua is this Virtua was supposed to even pump. Was supposed to pump. Was supposed to pump, but I don't know if Bitcoin is going to pump today. This Virtua was supposed to go up today a little. If Bitcoin was going to pump. Okay. Let's say for Virtua. Let me see Moondeck. I've not seen these two guys for a while. Moondeck baby. It's been a while. Moondeck is dancing around this area. around this area, there's a heavy resistance on moon deck. We'll be making one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. It's gonna down and come down here again. Moonbank on the daily is looking good for a pump, looking good for a leg up. If only Bitcoin would pump today. Moondeck next pump is gonna be massive. Moondeck will take out this highs. Next movement on Moondeck is gonna take out that highs. Moondeck next leg up is gonna be bloody. It's gonna fuck everyone. But this weekly is not. It's not set. It's supposed to still make a little leg down, but maybe later. In few weeks or months, it's supposed to make more leg down. On the monthly, it's looking good for a breakout. It's looking good for a breakout on the monthly. Okay, that is for Moon Deck. Let's continue. A 3.60% pump, ITA 4 point. Gold is dumping 0.11% dump. Gala 5.95% pump. Signed 5.70%. Pite 5.80% pump. Monfy, this one, a new one. I never hear this one. Plus this one, the pump. This one, this guys brought it. Who is the owner of this coin? Who created you? When were you formed? Who are you? Who you? Who you? When were you formed? How many years are you? Which year? 2024. Just last year. And this nigga is pumping. Pumping. Who you? Who you? Who you? Who formed you? Monthly bullish. Weekly resistant level. Weekly resistant level. Who you? Who you? Who you, nigga? Who you? Who you? You are pumping. You are pumping. You know the year war. They have taken the house of yesterday. Oh. And you are on a reversal pattern on the daily. 4 hours. This guy is looking bullish on 4 hours, but uh, 4 hours is looking bullish. Daily is dumping. This is supposed to be one, two. This guy run and take out the highs of it. I'm going to short this coin. I'm going to short this coin. It's on Binance. Let me just try. Move full. Let me give you a try, Aniga. Okay, so I'm shutting that man. So at the moment, let me go and do analysis on USD one. Let me do analysis on Tota 3. Tota 3. After that, I will open the comment section. I will open the X space for those who want to talk. But I know that these days our people like to sleep in the morning. So I guess they might not want to talk because everyone is always feeling sleepy. But let me go to Tota 3 and the Tota and USDT dominance. Yes, something is happening in the markets. Something is happening in the market. Tota 3. Tota 3. Tota 3. Tota 3 means altcoin. Altcoin. Yesterday, I told us that this candle, this red candle, was not a bearish candle. It's a bullish candle. That's why they will do pump and a dump. When you see it forming as if you think it's going to form an evening star right here. But because I know the candle very well, it does not form what we always think. It forms an opposite of what we always think. So that makes it an evening star in some people's eyes because of this dodge right here. This dodgy playing people game. So most people thought this because of this dodgy, and this man threw a leg. Probably is going to form an evening star, which was a dribble to the people, right? Where did I keep this man? Where are you? Okay. Where did I keep this thing? This guy is forming a pattern. Where is that thing? Where is that thing? Come up, let me see you. I come back to the daily. Yes. This is where you belong. You belong here. Stay here. Stay here. So after you dribble, your position, Tota 3 is come here. This is your position. 1, 2, 3, 4. So finish and come down. Yeah, stop. All this your game. I know what you are forming. When you finish, you come here. See your zone. Okay, so let me continue. On Tota 3, on that very yesterday, the daily. So they use this thing to dribble many people, thinking that we're going to go down. But when I saw it, I said, no, this is a bullish candle in the form of bearish candle. So we pumped yesterday. Today, what are we going to do today? Total 3 is going to reject this upward momentum. Total 3 is going to reject this upward momentum. This little rejection right here. If Asia session finish and Total 3 failed to take out these highs, even for now, you can even take a risk shot if you wish on some altcoin that are pumped. Yeah, I've taken so many shots just now. I've taken some risk shots on Solana, on SU, on Ethereum. In fact, I shorted Ethereum at 4,622, 630. Immediately I shot it, Solana, Ethereum dumped. So I just got small char from Ethereum just now. When I opened, I saw this candle. So this is a bullish candle, but it's going to give us a kind of a bearish vibe today. Despite looking bullish, despite the bullishness, it's likely going to give us a bearish momentum in the market. So that's why I prefer to stay on the shorting side for Total 3. So we're expected to have this bearish 4 hours. If Asia gradually dump us today, Asia has been pumping us every morning. Every morning Asia used to pump us. This is Asia pump in the morning. Asia pump in the morning. Asia pump in the morning. Asia have been pumping us. If Asia dump us, remember that UK has been dumping us. If Asia dump us today, Wednesday, Otilo. Now, why do I say that they're going to dump us? Let me take you on a ride to USDT dominance. That now I've been telling you about USDT dominance, forming something. They told you when I saw that, though I missed Bitcoin 122 because it was only Ethereum that the pump helped yesterday. But since it helped Ethereum yesterday, I have to hold Ethereum tight. Since Bitcoin could not move yesterday to 122. So Ethereum made the move. Let me use Ethereum to cover Bitcoin 122. Now, I told you guys that USDT dominance is forming a pattern. That's yesterday. Why I did not long day before yesterday, because this 4 hours has not formed complete. That 4 hours was yesterday, that day was here, was making this pump. Was making that. I said, no, this guy need to complete these things here and give me a leg down. Now, this is what we call double bottom on 4 hours. If this you are seeing here is on Bitcoin or on Ethereum 4 hours, ladies and gentlemen, I can already tell you that we're about to do a crazy pump if this thing was on Bitcoin. This is called double bottom. Official double bottom on 4 hours. Now let's go to daily. Ladies and gentlemen, I told people that this candle that day that they used the leg up was not the pattern. These guys use this thing just to liquidate longers. See, yesterday they brought it back again. I know what I say. That's why I put this line here. They use this thing. That's why I could not get Bitcoin 122 because of this candle. I was expecting this candle to be like this, like yesterday daily. This is what this candle is supposed to do day before yesterday and today. That's yesterday supposed to be this green. This yesterday candle, this yesterday daily was supposed to be this candle of day before yesterday. But because they are market makers, they say, don't worry, we are the market makers, we deal with people. This candle was supposed to be yesterday. This one was supposed to be the first day. That was what I was expecting. That was why I closed my short and long Bitcoin day before yesterday. When I long Bitcoin, these niggas went and pumped this candle back up here. I say, why would they pump this candle? Whenever this thing is forming, we're supposed to end with this red. And to this today, we'll pump. But what did they do? They pump the day before yesterday and dump this today, bring it back to where it belongs. I respect these guys. They are strategy makers. Those guys, these market makers are so much. They are, in fact, they watch people. They watch our liquidity. See, this liquidity heat map. These guys, they chop it. They eat it up. They know where the liquidity lies. They know people's mindsets using this liquidity heat map. They already knew that most of the traders, they have already short and long the market that day first day. They came here and used this candle. Dump the market, liquidate shorters, pump it again, liquidate longers. That was why day before today we had more liquidation on longers than shorters. Reaching yesterday, because I said this was not necessary. This red candle of yesterday supposed to be here day before yesterday. Reaching yesterday, they return it back to tell that now we have completed the pattern again. We cannot see. These guys are so smart. Gosh. They just mark this candle dumped here to this my last yellow line, which was the last support I was expecting for us to start looking for upward momentum. They dump it. Instead of them to leave it, they pump it back again and liquidate every longers. They did share it to us. I said, why? This is not supposed to happen. Now, when you see this kind of candle, this is a hammer. This is a bullish hammer. A bullish hammer is supposed to produce another bullish candle upward. They now go and check liquidity. They find out that many people have already shorted the market. They dump USDT. The market pumped again and liquidate people again. See what they do? This candle on a bottom, on a discount, supposed to produce a bullish candle the next day. They dump it. Now, what did they do? What kind of candle did they dump it? They dump it with a red candle, but this candle is not bearish. But it was used for a liquidity grab. They use it to grab the liquidity and close it with a red candle, but this candle is not bearish at all. This is a bearish bullish candle for an uptrend. If you remember, I told you yesterday on Total 3. If you remember what I said yesterday, when I saw Total 3 daily yesterday, when I saw this red candle, I told people this candle is bearish, but it's not bearish. It is a bullish continuation that's going to do up and down. If people remember, I told people it is red, but it's not bearish. What did they do? They pump it. Now, after they pump it, they liquidated people. Now they have brought another candle. It's looking bullish, but it's not bullish. It's bearish. The same thing they are doing right here on the daily. They have brought this candle to complete that pattern, which was supposed to complete day before yesterday, but they used this candle and liquidate people. Today again, many people will become so bullish, they are going to liquidate them by short. They are going to dump the market crazily. Many people will become so bullish again today because we pumped, everything was pumping yesterday. Many people will become so bullish, they are going to liquidate longers again today. They are going to play a wonderful game to longers because people are already bullish again. They are going to wipe every longers again today. That's why they return back this candle to the point where it belongs where it's supposed to be day before yesterday. This day before yesterday, this candle was supposed to be red candle, close like this one now. Supposed to close like this day candle, this day before yesterday candle. Supposed to close like this yesterday candle, but they spike it, dribble all the whole longers, reaching yesterday. People that shorted day for yesterday that was happy on profit, they spike the market and liquidate all the shorters again. Today again, people are becoming bullish. They are going to liquidate all the longers again today. They are going to play the game again on the longers. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm bearish today. Yes, today I'm bearish. I'm bearish today. So, I'm expecting this movement. I'm expecting it today. I'm expecting us to have a green candle today. And I pray it takes the highs of yesterday. So I'm expecting a movement up today in the market. On movement on USDT up, that will cause a massive dump in the entire market. Because this candle is bearish, but it is a bullish continuation candle in a bearish form. I know you ask me, how does this guy know this candle that is red, but they are green in spiritual? Spiritual, they are red in physical, but spiritual, they are green. Is that something like that yesterday candle? It was red physically, but spiritual is a green. That's why it produced this green candle. I told you people right yesterday. So today, this man is red, but he's going to produce us. Why is that man? He's going to produce us a green candle. Okay, let me see Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin dominance dumped crazy yesterday. Wow, 59 points. That was a massive pump for altcoin yesterday. It was a massive pump for altcoin. Okay. I think Bitcoin dominance also is going to make a bounce today. Bitcoin dominance is likely to make a bounce. But if you don't want to make a bounce, if you dump an USDT pump, that means Bitcoin will dump waiting no good. If Bitcoin dominance continue dumping, continue dumping, and USDT pump, that means Bitcoin will dump more than altcoin. What it means that Bitcoin is going to dump more than altcoin. If this place did not hold, if this guy dump pass here and did not return, that means Bitcoin is going to dump more than altcoin today. As long as USDT, why is USDT? It's making an uptrend. So what it means is that that dump on Bitcoin if he continue dumping, that means Bitcoin is going to dump more than altcoin if it doesn't make a bounce from here and it continue going down. It means Bitcoin is going to dump faster and more than altcoin. That is the meaning. As long as altcoin is making this movement up and Bitcoin dominance is dumping, that means Bitcoin is going to dump crazy than altcoin today. So let's see if it's going to make that bounce. Okay. Donald Trump and his family. These niggas don't want to let us have peace. We are even more excited that Eric Trump, altcoin season. altcoin season. Say that tomorrow they're going to ring Nasdaq opening bell. Altcoin 5. Donald Trump and his family. They don't want to have us, don't want to allow us to have peace in this crypto. This crypto have turned to hey Nigeria, oh God. Nigeria, they make me laugh. Okay. So let's see this bounce on USDT dominant. But for me, for now, I'm on short. But Donald Trump and his family, those guys, they don't want to rest. So I'm on short this morning. I'm not going to change it until I see a change in the market, despite what Eric Trump is posting. They say they want to make the whole market go crazy. Well, let's see what they are going to do to the market, though. So I'm on short and I'm still looking for more opportunity. I've shorted some coin. I'm still there. So Bitcoin is done. For the moment, that's what I'm doing for the market. I'm expecting a bounce on this particular man. So let me see altcoin index. Let's see. Yesterday closed with 41%. Let's see what's happening with altcoin index. Crazy. Holy. Are you serious? 49%. That's crazy. Oh my God. Hey. This is serious. 49%. Oh. This is moral, serious. Okay. We're supposed to make a bounce from here. We are in a strong resistance right now on altcoin season. I don't know. Last time I checked this altcoin season, whenever it makes this kind of movement, it used to break out to altcoin pump. Last time I backtested this chart. But right now it's in a resistance. If it breaks to 50% and 52% above, that means there'll be a crazy pump on altcoin today again. But at the moment, we are in a resistance level, a triple top at that moment. Like what happened here, a triple bottom that caused this pump yesterday. So right now we are on a triple top on altcoin index. So I'm expecting a rejection from here. I'm expecting a rejection from here to start dumping. But if it failed to dump from here and make a little more high, we have to put attention to it. But I'm expecting a dump from here. I'm expecting a dump from here. Back to Bitcoin. Back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's supposed to start gaining um Bitcoin's supposed to start gaining dominance from here. But if they break it and move above because of what Donald Trump and his family, what they are posting up and down, if they decide to do hot season in August, we don't have option than to join them. But right now, I'm expecting a dump in altcoins from here. I'm expecting a dump from here. I'm expecting a dump from here. But if you fail to dump from here and move above, we shall know. But for now, there's a triple bottom, triple top here. There's a triple top there. Total 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. There's a triple top here. I'm expecting a rejection from here. But if the altcoin failed to reject from here, I want to spike. We'll follow suit. But for me, I'm expecting a rejection. I'm expecting a rejection. 1, 2, 3. I'm expecting a rejection down. Okay, market is supposed to, altcoin is supposed to dump. But this thing they are doing here, this is supposed to be a heavy dump for altcoin. It's supposed to be a heavy dump for altcoin today. But it's trying to struggle and say no, I want to pump. But let's see. Let's see how the 4 hours goes. We have 1 hour plus to closing of these 4 hours. So I'm expecting this altcoin to retrace. But they are pumping it. They are pumping it, but I don't want to be moved by this their pump. Because Donald Trump's son just tweeted. That's why this thing now is the market started going up again. From a downward momentum, it started going up because of that tweet now that just came in now. But I'm expecting this guy to dump today. But any further movement upward, that means they are going to change the patterns. That means they're going to change this pattern. This pattern on the daily, they're going to change it and they are going to move this person. They're going to move this to this pattern. They're going to move it from here to here. That means altcoin is going to pump so crazily today and this week. Any further attempt to move that altcoin, that means they are going to break this pattern. See the next direction here. And that is going to be a crazy pump for altcoin. Crazy, massive pump for altcoin and Bitcoin. If this pattern fell today, if they broke this place today, if they broke this zero line today, that means They are coming right here. And that's going to be a crazy pump, a massive pump in the market because of this altcoin index is showing strength. If they broke it and send it to 50%, to 51, 52, it means this man is going to drop down, start coming here. And this man is going to take the highs. And this evening start, I want to form here to become invalidated. But let's see how the 4 hours close. I'm not giving up yet. I'm not going to give up. This triple top is supposed to hold. 1, 2, 3. It's supposed to hold. Altcoin supposed to dump. This triple top supposed to hold. Supposed to retrace altcoin today. But let's see. Let's watch the market. Market is going up. Let's see what is going to happen. If that happens, altcoin is going to pump crazily. Ethereum is going to do crazy numbers and all the rest. So let's observe the market and see what's up. That's it all I have for today. But for me, I believe that short's supposed to stand. But Donald Trump's son just tweeted, the whole market is changing. But I'm not giving up. I'm still hopeful. My short on Fatcoin, Monfi, Renda, Enna Pepe, Sue, Solana. I'm still hopeful on the shorts and Bitcoin. I'm still hopeful. I'm not going to give up. On those my shorts, this resistance is supposed to hold strong. Yeah, it's supposed to hold. No matter how they are pushing it, they cannot until I see a massive pump upside. But I still believe this is going to hold. This is going to hold. I believe it. This is supposed to hold. It's supposed to be a big retracement downward. Okay, Bitcoin is going up. Ethereum is going up. But I'm not giving up. I am not giving up on my shorts. No. My short stance. Syrup is dumping. Say is dumping. They want to say that this kind of pattern will not form. Why? Who born them? Who they are? Who them? Who you? Who you? Eric? Who you? Who you to be changing market movement? Candle will form. You will tweet and the candle will change. Who you? Who you, Eric Trump? Okay, finish and come and turn red. This one you're running up. Come and turn red. This is supposed to turn red. Despite that it's looking bullish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking so good for bullish, but it's supposed to dump. Unless you're going to close this 4 hours on red, on green, and next one start dumping. But this is supposed to be, it's supposed to form, it's supposed to fall. I don't know where you're going. don't know where I go in Ethereum. I'm Solana. Sure. Give us a red candle. With XRP no get problem. XRP just the collect dump, no get problem. XRP no the drag. WL is not dragging. CU is not dragging. Chainlink, this Chainlink supposed to put eye on this Chainlink. This guy done the pump like crazy. Since how many days now? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make continue the pump. This guy done the pump waiting no good. This grass, after this leg down, this grass is supposed to put eye on this grass for a long. This guy go pump very soon after this dump. Go pump waiting no good. After this this grass is gonna pump pretty soon. This guy is supposed to make a bounce from here. BCH, it's been a long time. Okay, BCH is dumping. So BCH is only 614. Wow. BNB, have not seen you. BNB on the daily. BNB is supposed to be dumping as well. BNB is supposed to dump these 4 hours, but this tweet is changing so many things in the market. That tweet is changing a lot on altcoin. Okay, that is it for me. Let's observe this 4 hours closing. I'm still believing so much that we are supposed to be on a downward momentum today. So hopefully most of the coin will be shorting. I'm still believing that market is gonna go down today despite what the Trump son is tweeting up and down. They want to introduce their coin, so they want the whole market to spike for them to bring their WFI, their World Liberty Finance. So they want to push the whole market. Nasdaq is pumping, S&P is pumping. They want Bitcoin as well to be pumping as well. They want the whole thing to be pumping. So before they will introduce their coin, the same thing they did to us during their father's altcoin. Everybody buy, they dump all of us. Now they are gingering again, so we can buy their father's coin, their family coin again. Once we buy, they will dump us again. They will take our money. Next thing, the father will ask us, what is $11 billion? That this one is a small money to this company. Who is going to fight them? Nobody. Who is going to speak for the masses? Nobody. Now they be president now. So they have right to scam everybody. They brought a meme coin and dumped all of us. Brought the wife meme coin, brought the father's meme coin. Dump, go and check the wife's meme coin. It's at zero level. Now they are gingering again. They are pumping the whole market with their news so they can drop their another coin. Once we buy again, they will dump everybody again. Next thing, the father will ask us, how much is that thing? He says, more money. So that family is just using the whole crypto market to be enriching themselves. They just introduce two meme coin and dump them to shit. Now they want to introduce another coin. When they ginger the market in the market pump, they will drop their coin and they take the whole money again out. And they will tell us how much is that money. It's a small money. They just keep suffering retailers. Not all retailers are billionaires like them, but they just suffer retailers for nothing, for their own good, for their own benefit. For their own benefit. But all good. All good. We there here. We are watching them and their behavior. But for me today, I'm bearish. No matter how they want to pump the market, that is their fucking problem. No matter this rubbish they are doing in the market, I'm bearish for today. No matter how they want to manipulate this market today. Unless altcoin season want to start today. If not, I don't agree. Like we ginger. Donald Trump and the family, the ginger us. Donald Trump and the family, the ginger us. Let's Let me open the mic. Let's gist. Come and request for the mic. I'm gonna open the mic. Let's talk. What do you think about the market today? Do you think that we're gonna have altcoin season today? Do you think that the altcoin season is gonna start today? What is your bias in the market? Come, let's gist. Let's have a section. Let's have a very brief section today. So the mic will be open very soon. Come, let's talk. Tell us your bias in the market today. Tell us what you feel. The space is open. Come, let's have a brief section before I shut down. So for those of us on the video stream, I'll be shutting down the video stream. Come to Twitter on Top V Media. Let's have a gist. It's nice having all of you today again. Once again, thank you very much for coming out. It's a beautiful day, a beautiful morning. Make sure you trade with caution, put stop loss where necessary, and take profit where necessary. Just know that the market is being overly bullish by the different news from Trump family because of their World Liberty Finance that will be listing very soon by exchanges. So just be careful in the market and don't fall victim of any kind of in fact, just follow your heart, follow what your heart is telling you, and follow what your chart is saying. Make sure you have a beautiful day. The space is open. Come, let's gist. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Bye.